In Arendelle, the clock tower that controlled the seasons suddenly stopped. Winter never ended. Elsa, with Anna and Olaf, knew they had to fix it. They journeyed through frozen fields, each step echoing their determination. They found the Timekeeper's chamber, dusted with frost. The gears were still. Elsa used her magic, Anna encouraged, and Olaf, with a giggle, found a tiny ice shard blocking a gear. Together, they cleared it. The clock tower whirred back to life, and the seasons began to change once more. Arendelle rejoiced, celebrating the teamwork that saved their home.